All right, hello, welcome back. So now we're going to cover volume licensing. Let's dig right in. So my friends, what the heck is volume licensing? So in the world of software licensing, volume licensing is a license selling method that authorizes one computer program to be used on a large number of computers or by a large number of users. Now, generally, business companies, government, or education agencies, whatever, may use this type of licensing scheme. See, the price of volume licensing is going to be different based on type, quantity, as well as subscription. When we're talking Microsoft, licensing software in volume makes it easier and more affordable to run software on multiple computers with a single licensing organization. Popular volume licensing programs include Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Office. You can acquire software licenses through Microsoft volume licensing programs. Microsoft introduced two volume licensing methods for IT professionals in charge of installing Windows in organizations. Both of them are covered by Microsoft Product Activation. One Microsoft volume licensing method is multiple activation keys, or MAC, which requires product activation. Another is Key Management Service, or KMS. Hosts activated with a KMS need to report back to a software license version once every 180 days. So this means computers in this organization need to reactivate Microsoft Windows or Microsoft Office every 180 days. Now, unlike traditional Windows product key activation methods, a volume licensing key, or VLK, can be used on several computers. The VLK typically limits the number of installations. The Microsoft Volume Licensing Service Center, or VLSC, is an online tool for managing Microsoft volume licensing agreements, downloading products, and accessing volume licensing keys. Now, Microsoft advises organizations to consider the size and type of organization, the products that are wanted, how products will be used, and all of that before deciding to buy Microsoft volume licensing. Microsoft offers three types of licenses: the retail license, the OEM license, and the volume license. Now, the main difference in a volume license is that it allows businesses to purchase a predefined number of licenses at a reduced cost, compared to retail or OEM licenses. So Microsoft considers three main factors before selling Microsoft volume licensing. See, the process of selling Microsoft volume licensing products is a complex one. There are three main factors, though, that Microsoft considers when deciding to sell a product, and they go like this. Cost-effective. Microsoft volume licensing is popular. It's a cost-effective way of acquiring Microsoft software for an enterprise. Use case. How's a product going to be used? Duration, and by whom? The size of the organization, which includes number of employees and the entire business model. So you've got to get the right solution for your business with Microsoft volume licensing. The flexible program will offer excellent value, fast deployment, as well as easy management of licenses. Make sense? So Microsoft Software Assurance is a program that provides volume licensing customers with free upgrades to the newest software releases, ongoing support, and many more things. But it's pretty much the best way to save on Microsoft products and use the latest versions faster than anyone else. It combines the latest software with benefits such as phone support, partner services, training, IT tools. The list goes on. Now, many companies are looking for ways to upgrade their systems without upgrading the cost. And when you're running a business, saving money is always pretty much at the top of the list, right? The concept behind volume licensing programs is that you can save quite a bit of cash if you buy your licenses in bulk. Volume licensing can also help you secure deep discounts on software, hardware, and cloud services for your organization. When you purchase volume licensed products through a Microsoft partner or a reseller, you can benefit from significant savings compared to retail pricing. However, the main reasons why businesses opt for Microsoft volume licensing include these. Most flexible and cost-effective way for organizations of all types and sizes to get the right software for their business. With a wide range of licensing programs, it's really easy to find a solution to fit your needs and budget. To run a successful business, you'll need to stay on top of the latest technological trends. Now, in recent years, cloud-based applications have been revolutionizing how companies do business. Cloud technology can provide your business with several benefits, including reduced costs and increased efficiency in several areas. Now, the license lifespan is an interesting topic. There are several types of licenses for software, which include perpetual, subscription, and time-limited. And these different license types offer varying levels of flexibility to the user. Software users tend to consider what they want their future to be when choosing a license type. What does it look like? See, if your business requires you to upgrade regularly, then it might be best to go with a subscription plan that provides regular upgrades at no additional cost. Perpetual license is a site license solution. The perpetual license allows you to use the software on an unlimited number of computers within your company for as long as you have a valid subscription. A subscription license is a license agreement, which is a contract between the licensor and licensee that grants a licensee exclusive rights to use the licensed content. It defines what type of usage is permitted, how much it will cost, how long is the term, and any other restrictions on user transfer. So now let's talk about activation. You can install a KMS host key on a Windows 10 or 11 computer to convert the computer to a KMS client. This allows you to activate other computers running Windows 10 or 11 against this KMS host. So you can learn how to configure KMS in Windows 10 or 11 here. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and press Ctrl-Shift-Enter to open the elevated command prompt. Then type the command slmgr.vbs/ipk with your KMS key and press Enter to install the KMS key on the KMS host. Then type the command slmgr.vbs/ato and press Enter to activate the KMS host online. All right, my friends, let's wrap it up here. That's all about volume licensing. You're going to want to stick around for the next video because we're not done yet. See you then.